Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with ServiceNow step by step clearly. Identify your target audience. Research the specific needs and pain points of your audience. Introduce the ServiceNow platform as a solution. Highlight key features of ServiceNow that align with customer needs. Develop a clear value proposition. Showcase real-time data analytics capabilities of ServiceNow. Integrate ServiceNow with your existing sales tools. Provide training for your sales team on how to use ServiceNow effectively. Utilize automation tools within ServiceNow to streamline sales processes. Create targeted marketing campaigns using insights gained from ServiceNow analytics. Establish measurable goals for your sales team. Implement feedback mechanisms to gather customer insights. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your ServiceNow integration. Refine your approach based on performance data. Invest in continuous learning and updates about ServiceNow advancements. Foster a customer-first culture within your organization. Promote case studies or success stories to build credibility. Encourage ongoing collaboration between sales and service teams. Utilize ServiceNow's customer service management to enhance client relationships. Monitor key performance indicators to evaluate sales improvement. Adjust strategies as necessary to stay aligned with market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.